I'm here in Droitwich. We're here with Ian from REM Systems. I've had the pleasure of being in Switzerland at EROWA. Now, you've had a lot of investment here in the UK and for the Irish market, but tell us a little bit about the range of products that you're actually offering from EROWA, Ian.
Well, as you know from our visits to Switzerland 2 years ago, EROWA started in the EDM industry. As you can see, these pallets here, which are 50mm by 50mm pallets, and this range of tooling that we've got on display now to show customers is one of the best 0 points on the market, repeating to 2 microns repeatability, but also the chucking system and pallet range that EROWA are able to offer are anything from 50mm up to 400 pallets, with the flexibility of being able to put adapter pallets onto those chucking systems, which are able to take and facilitate all the pallet sizes in the EROWA range, which delivers great flexibility for businesses and engineering businesses in the UK and Ireland.
And that's really key, isn't it? Because it's all about actually getting the maximum out of your spindle time on your machine, isn't it?
Very much so. So I mean, while this is the first step in EROWA's flexible manufacturing concept, where you're manually replacing chucks and pallets on your workpieces, and then presetting offline to speed up the process to keep the spindle going. This is, first and the second step, which leads us into a big part of EROWA's business model is automation.
Well, I think automation has been quite key, isn't it, Ian, over the years? I mean, I think Europe have been leading this, but when you look at some of the products in the range, like the Robot Compact 80, now these are very flexible, aren't they? You're selling these on any type of machine tools to a certain extent that is looking for an automated solution.
Yeah, so that's the beauty of the EROWA automation solution, is that it can deliver total flexibility for a business and the investment and the return on investment that a business is looking for. As you can see, the ERC 80 here is EROWA's best-selling robot. It can side load, front load, it can be connected with the JMS production line software to communicate with any machine control in the market, and work with any machine tool which is manufactured or sold in the UK.
And I think the great thing with EROWA that's very flexible, but they can interact with a lot of different machine tools. So therefore, the customers that have got older legacy machines, if you've really got a batch scenario within your company, a subcontracting company or an OEM, obviously it lends itself very well, doesn't it?
Yeah, so the EROWA system is able to connect to existing machine tools, brand new ones, or existing machine tools which the company's already invested in, and you're trying to get more spindle time, which is the key. Key is that at a weekend you've got 65 hours of free spindle time that you can use by using automation, which gives a great return on investment on the automation investment.
And I suppose, talking about investment, the brand new facility here in the Midlands gives you the opportunity to actually strengthen some of the machine tool relationships that you're starting to build as well.
Oh, most definitely. And having the facility here now to show more demonstration pieces of automation, i.e. the Compact 80. We're looking to put a linear line in here as a demonstration piece as well, which will give people further ideas of how they can invest in automation on a wide range of machine tools, CMMs and robo-washes, and connect it all into one big cell.
And when you look at the overview of the company, it also lends itself to the EDM side, obviously because of Warwick Machine Tools. You've got the Exitec wire and die sinker machines, but you're also selling these into the EDM market now, aren't you?
Yes, I mean there's a number of companies that have got EROWA automation on EDM machines. We've got one facility where they've got over 7 robots loading workpieces and electrodes into the die sinking machine to run their parts, which is in the tool and die industry.
And I think it's one thing to say that if you are looking to embrace in automation, it's not just about actually coming here, look at the facility. You're quite happy to take a lot of customers to end users that have got, you know, certain packages available.
Yeah, we've got the opportunity to take customers to end users, to our facility here, or even to EROWA, where they'll see where EROWA are using their own automation throughout the production facility in Buron in Switzerland.
So Ian, automation is very key in the UK and Ireland. We're gathering a lot of steam. So this investment here in the Midlands is not only there to support the machine tool side, but also to give demonstrations to show the power of EROWA for a lot of SMEs and also subcontracting companies.
Yeah, most definitely. I mean, we've seen a great upturn in inquiries over the last 6 months in automation with everything that's been going on around the world, and we can only see that growing in 2022.